Today we're going to have an unboxing video of the new Sony XM6 headphones. Supposedly the best noise cancelling headphones ever. Previously there were XM4 and an XM5 model. This is what the box for XM4 looked like. As you can see, it's much nicer, made from non-renewable materials. It was in shrink wrap. And this here is the environmentally friendly XM6 box. Kind of looks like the box is made from recycled paper. No shrink wrap. There's a small tab that we're going to pull on. It's very sticky here. Be careful. You don't want to tear it. Okay, so that comes off, and here we have the case. A very simple tray. Case is about the same size. It appears to be thinner, slightly larger, a little bit wider. Very similar to XM4. And very nice loop here. And here are the headphones. I can put them right next to. Now this the zipper is no longer present, so you can compare side by side, old versus new. New ones have a folding hinge, much lighter, and the old ones look like this. Kind of more typical design. And very soon I will be running a test for both of them on a plane. We're going to see if these are really the best noise cancelling headphones available, and particularly how they work for prescription glasses, eyeglasses. Well, that was it. Sony XM6.